Hi, my name is Dash, and in this video I'll show you how to install Snowflake library in StreamSets. Let's get started. Once you have Data Collector installed, up and running, log in using your credentials. Then on the top right, click on Package Manager icon. On the left, click on Enterprise Stage Libraries and select Snowflake. Now click on Install icon to accept terms and to start the installation process. Now, as with any new library installation, we'll need to restart Data Collector. While the Data Collector is being restarted, I'd like to show you where you can download latest version of the Data Collector. After you browse to StreamSets.com, click on Download button on the top. Scroll down a bit, and here you'll see all the options you have to download and install the latest version. For release notes, click here. For detailed documentation, click here. Now let's go back and check the status for Data Collector. Looks like it's been restarted. So let's log back into it and confirm that the Snowflake library was installed successfully. We'll go back to Package Manager, Enterprise Stage Libraries, and there it is. Success! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.